All right, y'all. Y'all see what it is, man. Got to take advantage of these times. I know for beginning investors, kind of hard for you, kind of new to you, but the stock market is a roller coaster ride. Some days is up, some days is down. No tree grows to the sky. So you got to invest in good companies, preferably some companies you want to buy and hold for the long term, so you ain't got to sweat it. So you will be excited about these dips. And take advantage of these prices. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. That's why you might hear me say, like, I'm keeping it real with you. I'm using margin now. I'm using Robinhood margin. They're only charging me 5.05%, I want to say, for their money. The dividends I got coming in far exceeds the interest rates that they charging me. So I can just stop trading and let the dividends pay the money back. So all of my money, I didn't put any fresh new powder from my pocket into it, taking advantage of these dips, these growth stocks also. So when they go up, I can sell it. Once I sell it, all is gonna go back to pay the margin back anyway. And I can keep on pushing. Do like the rich do, man. It's called OPM, using other people's money. Called leveraging debt. Use other people's money to make money. Keep yours in your pocket and you leave away with the benefits. Anyway, y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get to trading. Urgent buys, urgent sales, no urgent sales. Had a bunch of buy limit orders because I set a lot of them. So when I'm not looking, I'm sleeping or whatever it is, pre-market, post-market, automatically fills it for me. Let's go with NFLY. Options on Netflix. I brought a share at 1441. This got down to 1401 today. Go and put a buy limit order in there. I'd already put one in, but I'm about to replace it. I'm going to get 5 shares at 1401. I just want to hit it real hard one time. Then I can dollar cost average on in. From there, get 1 share a day or whatever it is. Weekly, YMAX. This is my favorite stock. I like this one. I'm reinvesting all the money here. Go in at 1051. I currently have 1,004 shares. Average cost 12.59. Down 15.54%, but that's all right. Like I said, I'm not loading up no more, getting all these 5 shares and all that like I did. If I'd have just held out and chilled, and I could have been spending all the 5 and 25 shares I got at the $12 mark. Could have been getting at this $10 mark. I'd have been good. But one thing about the market, you cannot time it. So why I call dollar cost average. I am aggressive, but right now, I got what I wanted. I got my 1,000 shares, so all I do now is just reinvest that. And I don't even spend the $100-something a week that I get. I might get 1 share a day in this every day, and that's it. As you can see right here, 1051. And I leave it there. So I might get them back $52, $53 a week at the most, and I put the rest to another dividend, or I can let it pay the margin back. So I'm at the place that I want to be. I want to get average cost in the 12.50 range, so I'm good with that. I know in a good time this will go back to $13, but we're gonna see. Let's do YMAG. Another one I'm buying, options on the S&P 5 with a Magnificent 7. YMAG got down to 1420 today. So I told myself I'm gonna go get one of these every day. Like I say, I can have YMAX, pay for YMAG and YMAX. Anyway, 14.20. Actually, let's just dollar cost averaging to it. That'd even be better. Get $3 worth. I ain't in no hurry to average down on this. I'm already at 15 something. And I don't have a lot of shares. We can leave that there. Ticker TWO. Got down to 948 at 946. Ain't no problem, ain't no thing. Get $5 worth of that. I got 5 shares at $9.53, or 10 shares, or 25 shares at $9.53. What's my average cost now? I'm at $11.03 now. This is a $10 and something stock anyway. Y'all know after interest rate cuts go down, keep cutting. REITs and BDCs gonna benefit from. All right, we got TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. You know they make chips for all the stock companies over there in Taiwan. That's why you got the ADR fee right here. But it's gonna be more of a growth stock. You're not buying this for the dividend, so it's easy buying that. Go get some of that. We got down to 270, 273. Buy a fractional share, but if you trade with me on Cash App, you can put a buy limit order in on a fractional share. Hood got down to 112.38 today. I went and put a buy limit order in there on that one. Ticker FLO, Flowers Foods. If you're not in it, stay out of it. Been taking a beating. If you want to start a position, this is the perfect time. Dividend yield 8.81%. They are hiking their dividend. As you can see, Flowers Food has affirmed its dividend of 24, well, 20, little over 24.5 cents a share. Baxter, dividend play. It's in the medical field. 1761, 52-week low, 1740. Dividend yield 3.83%. Excuse me, 52-week high is 37.74. Probably won't ever see that again, but it's a dividend play. Got AMZN, Amazon, down to 220, 260. Know this a buy and hold stock. I went and put an order in for that one. SCHD I like below the $27 mark. If you go in, you can get a fractional share right now, but it's also $26.89. So I'm going in that. SRLN definitely gobbling this up, not gobbling up, but adding on to these prices. Blackstreet Black Loan Senior Loan ETF, dividend yield 7.21%. I think it's like 7.56 on Yahoo Finance. I wanted to check this one out. I didn't do it before the video, but let's see. Westlake Chemicals made a new 52-week low, 1780, 10.52% yield. It's a dividend play. Gonna come on down during these times here. Sell it when it gets back to this 52-week high. If it does, what's the high anyway? 2504. We did YMAG, HPP. For y'all to follow, this gonna be a swing trade for me. It's gonna be my last trade with this stock when it goes back up. Got down to 179 today. I'm going in, get me a couple shares. Don't know how long the market gonna be down, so trying to cash up. 52-week high is 396. I am right now at 205. Last time I sold this was like at 280. So once I exit this one, that's gonna be it for me with this play. Not taking so much risk like that no more. AFCG came down, new 52-week low, 284 today. Don't know what's going on with this stock. This usually don't stay down that long. But we're gonna go in at 284. It's gonna be another swing trade once I exit this one. That's my last dance with it. Once I make this exit, it's gonna be it. Not like I heard my stove was on. Cut it off. Alright, that was AFCG. GSBD, Goldman Sachs, BDC, GSBD, BD. Definitely a nice quarter pair. About a 14.84% yield. 52-week low, 935, 979. I had a buy limit order that filled. There's a couple of shares at $9.38. And you see I got 25 shares at 938. And the 52-week low is 935. Got down today to 935. Gonna buy some more of this at these times. It's gonna go back up to the $10 mark, at least to 980. 9.35. Get another 3 shares. Trade 24 hours now. Dividend play. These are things you're gonna want for the future. AI stocks gonna do their thing, but there's always a ceiling. They're gonna have to repeatedly have good earnings. One AI stock slash just a good buying stock is Amazon and Walmart. I'm gonna buy those. They do more than just AI. People go shopping on it. And Amazon got the Amazon Web that operates a lot of stuff. Got TCPC. As you know, I buy this weekly. Buy 5 shares a week. I just got 5 shares triggered today. But I can go in with y'all and get a fractional share. That's what I'm going to do. But I like to buy this every week at the weekly low, so I can get the best price for them last 5 days. How I do that one, got New Tech. I know I was taking advantage of this one at $10 and under. 5 shares triggered today that I had in the buy limit order. This got down today to 972. Not going to load up. I can always go out and do the same. Buy out weekly is what I'm going to be doing. I put those buys in on the weekends. LFT got down to 146. It's going to be another swing trade. Going to be my last dance. When these things go up and I make my exit, that's going to be it. But hopefully when the market goes up, it's supposed to stay up for a couple years. When they go back bullish, it's been down for so long. When not really down, you buying the S&P 500, you up. COF, Capital One. I like financials, credit cards not going anywhere. People gonna run up debt. They're gonna get loans because we are about to be in some real bad times. I was gonna tell you to go in at 199.49. As you can see, this already up to 204. This always played above the 220 range. But and you can see if you look at the trade value, got an average trade value of 3.85 million. Okay. Ticker ABR is another REIT. Taking advantage of these at these prices also. Arbor Realty got down to 818. I brought some more of that today. This is why I'm investing all of my Yield Max ETF money, the Conies, the Misties, and all those. And these kind of plays here, 24 hour, this is going to be a nice swing trade too. Arbor Realty Group, 52-week high is at 1505 with a low of 818. Already up to 842 today. PE ratio is at a 10. IWMY. Just went in and got $5 worth of this. Got a dividend yield of what's the percentage? 80%. This usually plays above the $23 mark. There's options on the Russell 2000, which is getting whooped. One of the most volatile sectors. PFLT, 10 cents a share a month. 5 shares a week on this one too, below the $9 mark. It's at 882, going at 889 today. Just get me a fractional share. Should have got $3 worth right there, but it's all good. RC, Ready Capital. There's another one, BDC. People gonna buy this just for the dividend. 24.8%. 14% sale, 86% hold. Going to get 2 shares right there. Like I say, this is a dividend play, 24.8%. Really, it paid like 12.5 cents a share every quarter. Is it sustainable? Is the question. You got Bull going at $8. If you're gonna do Bull, $8. Metafast. It's another one been getting whooped. Buy this also weekly. Y'all stay out of this play. It's bad times. Anything with good earnings right now still pulling back. Medtronic had good earnings and right now selling off, but that's a long-term dividend growth stock. Wendy's got down to $8.20 today. Go out and do Wendy's on the every 5 days too for this portfolio. I'm already at 857, so I'm not tripping really. OXLC 40 cent a share month going at 13.33. This one you think people should be running to for the dividend. I don't understand these new investors, man. Plays like this, that play this high dividend, you supposed to hold on, to this. This like a 20-something% yield. But people do their own thing, man. I'ma ride it out with it. XLF. I need to get some of this in my damn, it done went back up. It had a low today of 5108. I got to get this in my Roth. Anyway, ain't no biggie. Get $2 worth. If I like it, but definitely below the $52 mark. Costco. A lot of good deals out here, man. 52-week high is $1,078. Now to 902. Definitely time for you to go get some of that if you want Costco. 52-week low, $871.70. High, $1,078.24. Tesla. Go in at $393.71. It's already at $404. Volatile stock, but you can make some money with it. SoFi. $25.71. $25.66. I got one holding that. That's a bank stock. Pets. Just go out and buy this weekly. Made a new 52-week low. What I'm gonna do with Pets? Not gonna buy that every day. Pets gonna come on back up and make old Groovy Groove some money. So I'm gonna see what it do. Brought 5 shares of QQY today. Options on the QQQ. I brought at $23.70. Put a buy limit order in last night. This don't stay down long. As a matter of fact, it hit $23.70. You can see it's riding on up. I wanted to get 5 shares of that. Start averaging down in that one. I think DEA was green today. Let's check DEA Dow. The ones we buy on the regular. 21.62. $3 worth of Dow. $11.17. All right, we can go check our traps, man, and get this trade over with. Seems like the market fighting back. Let's look at DISO real quick. DISO options on Disney. This is another one I'm buying. Well, another one pay out weekly. All right, let's go check out traps. All right. Got HPP, LFT. Didn't get CHMI today. This one keep hitting the 239, 238, and then it come right back down, man. 226. Definitely gonna be a nice trade too. Just waiting on this one to do its thing. Never want to take off, but I'm gonna stay at it, especially below this 230 mark. With a 52 high 368. I'm at 265. So I'm in the driver's seat. I always sold that over the $3 mark. Need some more SLRC. This pay every month. It mean to bring my average cost down anyway in this. 10.98% yield. You be buying this every week. SLRC. Anyway. Dead pets. I'm gonna get Nike. Gonna price that out weekly. Vici, however you pronounce that. 29.50. I'm at 28.47. That's a dividend play. Leave that there. Telus one I want to get out of. Communication company and Canadian communication company. Put that on the list. TU. .2% dividend yield. 13.24 is the low. 52-week high. 16.74. Remember, you're gonna have to pay your ADR fees when you get your dividend. Being that that's a Canadian company, Intel should still be up handsomely in this one. 75% I'm up. That's a long term. Let them run play. LYB. I go buy this every week. Been waiting on that to make its runs so I can make my exit. But it is a dividend play. We did AFCG. Where's IVR trading at? This one I be buying and selling, buying and selling. 758 too high for me. Got to be about 725 and lower. Got two harbors. Got GSBD. AMZY options on Amazon. How that's looking, 3% discount today. I'll take that discount, throw a little something in there. Just pay out weekly also. Amazon not going to do nothing but go up. MSFO 3% off today. Options on Microsoft. Take the little discount. This one don't go down as much. These less volatile plays. DISO, we got that. AMDY not bothering. Walmart need to come down some more. TSLY did hit a 52-week low. Not a 52-week low, but it had its run. 52-week low is 690. It is in my buy range where I like it. They got a reverse stock split coming too. They was on the list. I'm gonna leave it alone. See, we're gonna come down some more. February around about 7:30. SPYT payout monthly 1765. 52-week low is 1487. I like this a little lower, not gonna bother it. NVDY Nvidia 1491. I can let that come back some more. Can go buy that weekly, get it at a good price. That YMAX PYPY gonna come get that weekly. That's not on the reverse stock split list. Seems like it's losing its nav. That's why I'm watching it. 894, 884. That's why I say buy that at the weekly lows to get the best price. See things, just watching it. Global Medical REIT. Nice dividend play to have there. 11.15% yield. So far, we know getting beat down. This the new stuff I added on. Just 46.54, 49. Payout weekly. DVYE when I added on. See if that's gonna dip some. I got $1 worth. I go get me another $1. Nice dividend play, international play. And SoFi. I'm gonna wait on that one. And that's it for today. Y'all watch my Cash App videos too, man. Show you how to make money with Cash App. So one feature they have, you can set a buy limit order on a fractional share. So those big growth stocks, them $800-900 stocks, you can buy $3 worth on a buy limit order. That's one thing other Robinhoods and other brokerage companies don't have. But that's it. Signing off. Go get your money.